Good morning, Hollywood Hill. How are you today? I am so excited that we have a full week this week, and then we have a short week next week because of the Memorial Day holiday. And that Memorial Day holiday we take and we celebrate by being solemn. And I know many of us have baseball tournaments or softball tournaments or wonderful barbecues with our families, but it really is a day of remembrance to think about the people who have served our country and have died in that mission. So I hope that on Memorial Day you will take a few minutes to think about those that served our country and didn't come home. With that being said, we have an exciting week. We are continuing our fundraiser with Snap Raise. I hope that you've talked to your families about it. What I'm hoping that we will earn enough money for this week is some stencils and paint that we can use to make a restorative area out at recess where we can work through some of our recess challenges and continue our safe, respectful, and responsible behavior out at recess. So I'm hoping that we can do that this week. We are looking for about $2,000 to be able to do that. So that's exciting. Additionally, we have birthdays this week. Miss Kendra, Miss Rodriguez in our preschool program is celebrating her birthday, as well as Charlie Russell, Hajun in Miss Boland's class, Ryan in Miss Morrison's class, Naya in Miss Rowland's class, Sabrina in Miss Zimmerman's class, happy birthday to you, Devin in Miss Johnson's class is celebrating his birthday, and Harper Swain in Miss Boland's class. Happy birthday to all of you. And we had a great weekend, so I want to share two wonderful things that happened this weekend. First of all, our Girls on the Run activity had their 5K this weekend. And so let me see if I can get myself out of the way and I can show you some of the pictures from Girls on the Run. We had a great time. And Miss Raleigh won the Rising Star Award nominated by her fellow coach, Miss Boland. So that was really exciting. I hope I have a video here. There we go. That maybe you can see it. Yay! She was a winner. So that was exciting. So that was the first thing I wanted to share with you. And the second thing I wanted to share with you is that it looks like our good wishes helped the UW softball team because they swept this weekend. And here are some highlights.
Right back to Plain. And she'll double up more off first base. Oh, I was sweating because I was walking.
Yeah.
I walked fast though, so makes sense. 2-1 over to Bates.
So as we're watching that, it's really exciting. A couple of home runs. That was a good time. They play again this coming weekend in the Super Regionals against Kentucky. And if they win that, they go on to the College World Series. So we'll be making another video probably Wednesday this week to wish them good luck. They were super excited to see our last video, and that made them really happy. So we'll try that again. So I think we're nearing the end of this highlights. That's Emma. Way to go, Emma. It was a really good time. They were so happy to get our video, like I said. So, woo! Look at this guy.
Well, the good news is you see Gabby Plain smiling. She says, "I'm okay, but how about having your pitchers back in a game like this? The defensive player of the year."
On top of that, I guess I should add that Gabby, right there pitching, had a no-hitter. So that was a pretty big deal as well. And that's how the game ended right there with Amira catching the ball. And she lives in Woodinville. So really good time. And we will get rid of that. And we will go back to me talking to you and saying thank you for being safe, respectful, and responsible because you really do make Hollywood Hill a great place to be. Have a great day.